Hey friends, today's update is crazy. You know, Chat GPT and fueling a $1.4 trillion side hustle boom by 2030. Predicts Morgan Stanley report. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of side hustles is about to explode, and tools like Chat GPT are leading the charge, according to a fresh scoop from Morgan Stanley. 1. These marvels, like Chat GPT, aren't just cool gadgets, they're money-making machines. Say goodbye to endless tasks and hello to more greenbacks in your pocket. 2. Tools? They're your creative companions. Content creation, idea generation, and crafting custom chatbots? It's all in a day's work. 3. Fancy a side gig? With Chat GPT, you've got options galore. Content creation, social media wizardry, and e-commerce, take your pick. 4. But hold on, it's not just about making a quick buck. Chat GPT and can tackle real-world problems, making the world a better place. 5. Brace yourselves. The side hustle revolution is upon us, and it's set to create a wave of opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. Stay ahead of the curve with more juicy updates like this. Hit that subscribe button, and let's ride the side hustle wave together.